In this tutorial, I will show you how to collaborate and customize projects in Asana. First, open your project and click Share. Invite teammates using their email. Set permissions like editor or commenter. Now open any task to collaborate. Use comments to communicate and tag teammates. Attach files to keep everything in one place. Next, switch between views. Use list, board, or calendar view based on your workflow. Click Customize to personalize your project. Add custom fields like priority or status. Use rules to automate actions. You can also create forms to collect information. These submissions turn into tasks automatically. Adjust layouts and fields to fit your team needs. This helps keep work organized and efficient. That is how you collaborate and customize Asana projects.